Blossom. I'm going to do another math session today. We'll do the flashcards again, okay, just so that you are still constantly recognising numbers, okay. So, okay, get you some more. Well done. Super speedy numbers, okay. Thing is with those numbers, you could pause the video, or you could stop after each one and you could maybe think, oh, what's one more than that and what's one less than that? So you can use that as well when you are reading and recognising numbers. And also think about that number. How many tens has it got? How many ones has it got? Is it bigger than this number, smaller than this number? Okay, so our focus today is thinking about addition. Okay, so that's our symbol there. Now, these are some words that you might, that actually mean addition. You might see them maybe in a word problem or in a question, but they all mean addition. So that is your symbol for adding. Adding means putting things together. It could be numbers, it could be fruit, it could be people, but it means putting things together, okay? So one of the words is add. Another word is total. That means addition. I could say to you, what is the total of 7 apples and 5 apples? And that would mean, how many is there all together? So you're going to put them together. It means together, adding. All together, that's another word that means addition. Plus, and you know that you are counting on when you are adding, which means the quantity of whatever it is that you're adding, like I said, it could be people, it could be fruit, it could be cubes. It means putting them together. So your number quantity is always going to get a lot bigger, okay? So trying to teach you ways of, instead of using lots of apparatus, you can use things in your house if you want to put things together. But we need to start now in year 1 to put those numbers in our head and count on to make it bigger, okay? So let's have a think here. So if we said 12 add plus 5 equals. So really you want to be putting your big number in your head. So if you think, which is the bigger number? Is it 12 or is it 5? Well done, it's 12. So if you could put 12 here and then show me 5 fingers. So 12, don't forget you count on. So you count on to the next number. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 12 plus 5 equals 17. 17 is the total of 12 add 5, okay. Now let's try another one with addition. So let's have okay, now the smaller number is at the beginning of our number sentence. But don't forget, it's easier to count on from the bigger number. So wherever it is, you're wanting still to count on from the bigger number, which we know is 11. So let's put 11 in our head, and we want to have 7 fingers. Don't forget, you must jump straight away to the next number. So 11 in your head, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18, okay, well done. Now, if you're still struggling, you could, 7 plus 11, you could have done 11. So you could draw your 7 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you could draw your 11 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you can still draw dots, you can still use apparatus if you want. It's entirely up to you. But obviously the strategy we're trying to teach today is to put that big number, hold it in your head, and then use your fingers for the smaller number. So you can still have your 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And if it helps you to cross it out so that you are not forgetting which number, so make sure you're counting on, okay? Another way you could draw yourself, could have drawn yourself a number line. So let's draw a quick 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's our numbers getting bigger. So if you wanted to use draw yourself a little number line, you could have worked that out on a number line. So again, we want to use the bigger numbers. So you start on 11, you've got to count on 7. So you've got to count on very carefully. So you've got 11, so you've got to add on 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 16, 17, 18. So our answer would be 18. So like I said, you can either draw dots to help you if that helps you, or draw yourself a number line, but try and think about now using the strategy of putting your big number in your head and counting on. So if I was to give you some word problems, you could maybe have a go at addition at home, okay? So the reason why I'm teaching you to draw images is because when you get into year 2 and you're doing bigger numbers, so say I gave you the example of 32 plus 9. 32 is a huge number, huge number. For you to draw 32 dots, that would take you a long time. Yes, you would probably get there, but it would take you a long time. So you could either put 32 in your head and show me 9. So 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay, or you could have drawn a number line. So you could start your number line there, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. That's a very quick number line. So 32 and you want to jump 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that would give you your 41. Okay. And you also know that you could also have drawn 32 like your base 10, like your sticks of base 10. So you could have had your 32 there, and you could have then done your 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay, so that's a lots of different ways that you could have solved that problem. Okay, so Mrs. Shaw again is going to give you some questions and you can have a go at home. So number 1, okay, let's go with, have a go at that one. I'm going to give you some missing numbers as well. So work out that strategy. And let's have a go at still using addition to solve all these problems. I'm going to give you a word problem now. I have 3 sweets. I get 12 more. How many all together? Don't forget, Mrs. Shaw taught you all the different ways, the words that mean plus, adding, getting bigger. Number 5, I'd like to think about what could be your own word problem. Could you make up your own word problem? So this is your little bit of homework to do with addition, okay? So like I said, you can use apparatus in your classroom if you want, But this symbol always means putting things together. So if you see a symbol like that, you think, oh, that means I've got to count on because it's getting bigger. It means plus, putting things together, all together, total, and adding. Okay, so have a go at these questions at home. Just don't forget, you must count on straight away for the same number. So 12 plus 7, 12, you must jump straight to 13. So mums and dads at home, really practice counting on and back in ones from any number within 100 to make sure that they are secure at counting in ones so they can then jump on and count on. Okay, see you soon.